Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export photos on the Photos application and then attach to an email on Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application as well as Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Now let's go within Library. Highlight a couple of photos. Go to the top, go to File, then go to Export. 3 photos. You can change the settings if you wish to. We'll just export directly to the desktop. That's fine. We should now see the photos being exported. Let's now minimize photos for the moment. And then we have the photos on our desktop. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad again. Search for Microsoft Outlook. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. You may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. That's fine. Now let's compile a brand new email. We will be sending this email to the Computer Science Videos at Business Gmail account. We have that on screen. Now let's click on Attach. That will take us directly to the desktop. Let's change the view to icons, and then we have those 3 images that were directly exported from the Photos application to the desktop on screen. Click on Choose. This will now attach those 3 images. That's fine. We can now compile a brand new email. Let's just say, Dear CSV, please see the attached images. Within this email, kind regards, and then we can attach the signature. That's fine. Admin, done. We can now send the email. Do you want to send this message without a subject? No, we do not. Continue editing. Let's just say images. Click on send. That email has now been sent. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad again. Go to the alternative web browser. Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Now let's navigate to our Gmail account via a shortcut. And then we have that email that was compiled a couple of minutes ago that says, Dear CSV, please see the attached images within the email. Let's click on one image. And there we go. So we can now quit Outlook. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook, go all the way down to the dock again, go back to the Photos application, quit Photos. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.